Hey y'all, what's up? It's Pat Neely. Listen, I'm getting ready to cook up a delicious side item for any Sunday dinner or the holidays. Check this out, y'all. I'm cooking up green beans and bacon. All right, y'all, I told you it's green beans and bacon. Yep. So I got my bacon already browning. This was about 6 slices. And I'm just browning. I cut in little chunks. I'm gonna let it cook down and constantly stir. I got it on a medium heat so that I don't burn it. So we got the bacon. Also, the ingredients. I have green beans, y'all, that I boiled and I just blanched them only for about 5 minutes into boiling water. Then I put them in an ice bath, which is water and ice, to stop them from cooking anymore because I want this bright green. So I'm going to take these and let them start draining. They're cold enough now in my pot. In my sink, let them finish draining. Then we'll pat dry them, but we don't need them till the end. Also, I have a medium yellow onion. I've got some chopped garlic. I've got some toasted pecans that I just rough chopped. And a lemon, and obviously salt and pepper. And I like a little kick in my green beans to wake them up, so I'm gonna add a little red pepper flakes. So we're just gonna let this bacon brown. Then we'll come back and we'll saute our onions. And it's a really quick dish. It doesn't take long at all, but it's a fun dish, and it's something different to do with your green beans. Okay, these guys look like they're crisp enough. You just want to get them crisp and brown. And you want them crisp because I want that crunch. And I always take the back of my wooden spoon and kind of scrape the brown bits. That's just nothing but flavor. So what we want to do now is we're going to pull out our bacon. And I use a slotted spoon and just put them on a paper towel so they can dry. Now, you guys that, if you normally eat turkey bacon, you can do turkey bacon. If you are a vegetarian, then just don't do any bacon at all. You can put some olive oil or something. So now we got this, and we got quite a bit of oil. And so I'm gonna use this same grease to saute my vegetables, but it's too much. So I'm gonna pour a little of it off. I don't need this much. I hope I didn't pour too much off. Okay, so now I've gotten some of the oil off, and I'm gonna turn it up just a bit. I'm gonna go in with my onions. One of the things I do is I saute vegetables based on the size. Like we have garlic, but I wouldn't add the garlic just yet. So we got our onions, as usual, a little salt, a little pepper. It just wakes the vegetables up. So, yeah, we're just gonna, you know when your vegetables are ready, when you're sauteing, you're gonna get that smell that's just deliciously fragrant. And they start to become soft. So all I wanted to do, I'm getting this This is flavor, y'all. That's flavor. And just scrape that on off and add that right into your vegetables. So they're about soft. Now, because it usually doesn't take garlic that long, I'm gonna add my garlic. And for additional heat, I'm coming with a little red pepper flakes. Just kind of wake up everybody. All right, we're gonna work those around. Now I have, you notice the green beans, I dried them, drained them out of the ice bath, and I took a paper towel and just kind of pat dry them. I want them dry. You don't want them too wet going in here. Okay, just like that. So this is ready. Some brown bits out of there. Smells delicious. So just like that, y'all, we come back and we're gonna toss our green beans in. And we just want them to kind of toast. And you turn them onions and everything over on top. Fully incorporate them. Like that. But you want the green beans to get a little heat too. And so then I took about a half a cup of pecans and I toasted them first. So they're a little warm. And I love pecans, especially during the holiday time. And so we're gonna work those in. You wanna really stir them in. Just like that. And if you do like I did, which I did, took off a little too much of my oil, you can just add a little olive oil. That's the good part about cooking. Just add you a little whatever you need. Just so it's not so dry. We're cooking these for about, you can already start to smell them, man. I mean, it just absolutely smells delicious. I'm gonna turn it down a little bit. I'm trying to get the beans on the bottom so they can really toast. Roll my pecans and vegetables over. Like so. It's a constant stir. Now, this looks really good. Now what we want to do, and the reason why I didn't overcook the green beans, because they're cooking again, y'all. So you don't have to, they only boiled for like 5 minutes. Okay? So now that you have that, then we come with the juice of half a lemon. Just to really wake it up here. Just like that. See, the green beans are really softening up now. So, one last step is I add some of my bacon back in. Y'all, I'm just building flavor. Just like that. Oh, it looks delicious and it smells amazing. What we're gonna do, these are ready. You don't have to overcook it. We're gonna just turn it off. So you just come, we're gonna plate them up here. I'm telling you. Leave none out. You see, you notice I didn't use all my bacon because I'm just kind of tossing. Y'all, I know I'm using my hands, but it's my house, so I can do that. Then I'm gonna come and just grab the other little bit of this bacon, just so that everybody gets a bite of bacon in every spoonful. Oh yes. Somebody gonna be happy in my home tonight. And take a look. I'll see if I can get you a good look. Isn't that beautiful? Absolutely gorgeous. Gorgeous. Okay, y'all, I just created another outstanding dish. It's a great side item. You got your pecans, you got your bacon, the onions and garlic go well with the green beans. And as you can see, it didn't take me that long. So I'm about to dig in, but I want to thank all of you guys who are following me on Pat Neely BBQ King on my YouTube channel. Tell a friend to tell a friend, and hit that subscribe button if you hadn't already done it, because you don't want to miss what I'll be cooking next.